This 2025 Gulf Stream Ameri-Lite Super-Lite 199RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Gulf Stream is 22 feet 2 inches in length and features a smoke interior, sleeps 5, water heater, refrigerator, smoke detector, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, skylight, awning, LP detector, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Gulf Stream Ameri-Lite Super-Lite 199RK is 3,520 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.